You know, all of us would love to live in a perfect society where we never make mistakes. How do you let go of mistakes? How do you review your day in such a way so you reduce your anxiety? Now, if it's a really good day, thoroughly enjoy it. Really think about the interactions, the success, the accomplishments you've had. It's when we've not had a good day, that's when we have to figure out how to review. So if I may, when you are absolutely doing well, be inside your body and enjoy recalling what happened. But on a bad day, don't stay inside your body. Don't stay inside your body. Because if you do, you're going to feel guilty. You're going to look towards the past. And you're going to say, boy, I wish I hadn't done that. That's not going to motivate you. So you've got to figure out how to review the past differently. And here's what we recommend. Instead of saying, I really blew it today, say either your name or your title or your gender. So he really blew it today. She really blew it today. The supervisor really blew it today. And review what they did, not what they did. And look at it, study it. Then you have to do something that's really quite difficult. You have to do it artificially. You have to laugh as much as you can. Even if it's artificial, it still changes the chemicals in your body. And then go like this. I would never do that. What I plan to do is, so the secret on how you let go of mistakes and reduce the anxiety when you review your day is review in third person. He, she, title did. Program the future in first person, what I plan to do. So if you want, take a little post-it, put it on your steering wheel. Review in third person, program in first. You know who taught me this? I live out in the country. I have a dog and I have a cat. My cat, Fitz, screams across the linoleum floor in the kitchen, slams against the refrigerator, but immediately goes like this, indicating I meant to do that. Just goes on with life. Whereas my dog goes out to the blackberry patch, gets a thorn in his paw, comes ow, 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 back to the back door, and he looks at me like, I don't know what I did wrong, but I'm sure it was me that was at fault. Would you help me? Please review your day like a cat and plan your future in first person. Michael Grinder here. Come on, let go of those mistakes, reduce the anxiety, and actually prepare for the next day. Thank you.